A few months ago, I played SCR with a joystick. Well, guess what? It's now broken. And Logitech says my replacement is delayed. So, what the hell can I do, man? And then I came up with something. How about if I control the game? That's right. In today's video, I'm going to play SCR with my voice. And hopefully it's not going to get as dramatic as I think it will happen. But yeah, basically, here's how this is gonna work. First of all, I'm going to try to drive an entire route, like an average duration, 20 minutes or so. How much overshots and spads I've got. Here on the Pinktastic channel, no matter what you do, everything goes wrong. So, don't be surprised if I get something wrong. So, of course, we're gonna go driving. I'm thinking, let's go waterline, yeah? Let's go from Newry Harbour to Falu. This is an average duration, 16 minutes. So, let's see if I can manage to go through 10 stops without suffering. But first I have to go to Newry siding to actually begin. Right, let's see if this works. Up. Up. Yes, it does. Up. Yeah, this software isn't perfect, so gotta have to live through it, man. Alright. Down.
Calling at
down.
Newry Harbour.
Down. I have to rely on this a lot. Brake. Door. Camera. Hey, that is actually a really good stop. Okay, I'm impressed. This is unusual. Normally, everything messes up. But let's not celebrate too early. We just made it one stop. So, it could get a lot worse. Door. Up. Up. Alright. I say right. Which pulls out the schedule. It presses D. Right means just to go right. So yeah, that's why the schedule just showed up. All right, right, right. There you go. It's disappeared. Okay. Let's just prevent saying the R word. Okay. All right. Camera. What? I didn't say break. I also want to see how late are we going to be in service. So far, we're gonna be on time for sure, because we're nearly approaching. So technically, this route hasn't started, so don't get hyped up, guys. Don't get hyped up. Brake. Okay, I overshot a little bit. All right, door. 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 There you go. Yeah, as you can tell, the noise recognition isn't perfect. How old is this software? All right, close. Door. Camera. Up. Up. If I say that word twice, it just goes up by 15. So, it's quite convenient when I need to go to a specific speed limit, like 30. We're going quite slow and steady, so it's very likely that I'm going to do alright. Brake. Okay, as expected, I overshot. Alright, so far we are on time, which is surprising, but we just started. Once again, don't celebrate too early. Full! That's right, it goes full speed. That's very correct. Actually, don't. Down. Full. Now it goes up to full speed. Okay. We're slowly going a little bit behind, but I think that's just usual. That's the normal timings. Like, I haven't done anything too slow or too fast. I actually done a little bit too fast already, so.
We will shortly be arriving at
down.
Eden Quay.
Down.
Please
down.
mind the gap between the
down.
train and the platform.
Service to Farley.
Brake. Brake. No, down. Okay, that is a complete overshot. If I overshoot the signal after the station, that counts as an overshot. Going over the car stop is a little bit too extreme in this case, because it's not gonna be... It's really hard to be accurate here, but hey, you have to deal with it. Alright. Door. Oh, go to 90, so let's go down a little bit. Down. Down. Brake. Door. Alright, doesn't matter that we undershot. We're not gonna count undershots. But I stopped alright. Yeah, we're doing actually alright. Oh my god, is this the first time we're doing something good on the Pinktastic channel? Door. Full. Down.
Welcome on board.
Let's just adjust it a little bit. Okay, wait, you can also adjust it like specifically, so like little up, small up. Yeah, you can adjust it like a little bit. I've done that too. Just be more specific. Oh, we're slowing down. All right. Down.
We
Down.
will shortly be arriving at West Benton.
Down.
Please mind the gap between the train and the...
Right.
Parkway.
We're approaching. Right.
Airport West.
Brake.
James Street.
No. Brake.
And Farley.
Ah, I've disappointed Matty. That sucks. Door. I went over a coach, which is basically half the train. That sucks, bro. I'm surprised that it didn't say, you overshot, please go. Door. I thought it was going to say bye-bye for me. Who would have known? I would have been so good at configuring this stuff, except adding the horn. But I suck at executing this. Basically. Oh my god, I'm exceeding the speed limit by 1 mile per hour. Oh god, I'm gonna get demoted.
And Farley.
Alright. Down. Let's not screw it up. Brake. That's good enough. Door. 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 That was a good stop. For a voice-activated controller, this is great. I'm actually enjoying this way better than the joystick. Let's not go physical. Let's go vocal. Door. Alright. Camera. Camera. Up. 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 There we go. We're gonna be on time. I'm actually surprised. We might be on time here. Alright. No, 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 no. Up, 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 up. Not intended. Why did that happen? I didn't say the B word. No. Up.
Please mind the gap between
Up.
the train and the platform.
Wait, wait, why am I doing that? Down.
Service
Brake.
to
Brake.
Farley.
Break! Okay, we're dead. Oh, sake. No. Alright, up. We did so well. Why did we do that? Up. We did so well in the Benton one. And then right after, we screw up with a skip. How great is that? Just give me a second. I'm gonna add the horn. Let's test it out. Horn. Yeah, it works. Cool. Let's
Airport
risk it.
West.
No, we shouldn't. Why would we do that? Alright,
For
down.
services to Airport
Down.
Terminal 2.
Down.
Please mind
Break.
the gap between the train
Down.
and the
Okay,
platform.
we're gonna skip again, aren't we? Alright. Just don't skip the next station, we're
The
good.
next station
Alright,
is
full.
James.
Alright. I can't stop saying right. Right. Down. We're just gonna go slow down early just for safety purposes. Down. I really don't want to screw this up.
James Street.
Right.
Please mind the gap
Right.
between the train.
Down.
Further 21.
Down. Down.
Calling at Farley only.
Okay. Door.
This train is formed of
That
two
went
coaches.
nicely. And early. We're early. That's great.
James Street.
Love it.
This train is
I didn't even
called
say it
Farley.
right. Alright. It happened again. Why? I can't stop doing it. Alright. Down.
Farley. Change
Actually, no.
here For services to
Actually, yes.
Chesterfield.
Because we're approaching already.
Please mind the gap
Quite
between
quick.
the train and the
10 minutes
platform.
later, this train
Right.
is the
This
service
train
Down.
terminates here.
Newry
Down.
Harbour.
Change
Oh, we're
here.
terminating it actually. Up. Up. Alright. Break. Door. We did it, boys. We successfully done a average service from Newry Harbour to Farley. Although we did skip 2 stations and overshot 2, we did alright overall for voice-activated software. Look at that. We did it with just my voice. Dude, I want to do something funny. Right, let's see if it works. I want to kill myself. Absolute comedy, bro. Oh my goodness. Like, oh, okay. So I'm going to ask one of my friends to see if they can just guard me. And I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to say, hey, can you guard me? And I want to see how long it takes for them to notice that I'm just using a voice-activated software. Moving on to Pegtastic in a different time. So, I'm not going to say anything, but can I guard you for like 5 minutes?
Sure, okay.
Right.
Oh, I saw that! I did
That was by accident, bro. No,
I literally just saw that. Oh my god.
not intentionally. Oh, man.
Service
I think I'm on the right local door.
is
Okay. Whistle. Close door. Whistle. Again. Alright. Right. Wait. No, wait. Right.
What?
Local.
Yeah.
Signal. Guys, how the hell did he not know that? Airport Central.
They really need to make the announcer on this the same as the Elizabeth line announcer.
The next
That'd be
station
sick.
will be
But we already have a station announcer. That's the same person.
Well, yeah, but the Elizabeth line announcer is both station and train. Is on both the stations and trains. So, I mean, surely SCR can do that as well.
I didn't want to use the commands when I was moving by accident. I don't want him to find out almost immediately. So it was quite awkward though. I think TM was a bit confused there. Okay. Right. Small down. Small down. Small down. Local. Right. First. Door. Right. Whistle. Close door. Whistle. Whistle. Left. Local. Signal.
It's his voice activation, isn't he? Because, like,
You
I
got
knew it! I knew it!